Middle Gulf Drive, okay. All the Gulf drives are the edge of the island. We're on Middle, and then there's, I don't know if it's called West or what, South. We just skipped that place where we drove. Unless you want to go out there. Uh-oh. Well, I guess I better get back on the bike path. Either way, I don't mind the bike path. I hear you. There's plenty of tennis courts, ain't there? I wonder if they got any pickleball. There's Donak Street. Let's go out here just for the heck of it. Yep, I ain't going out. I just wanted to see what it was. Just park your bike and go to the beach. City of Sanibel.
Oops, sorry. Feet apart at the beach.
Yep, I rode my bike out there once before, I remember. You can't go nowhere in the sand. See, now that's a beach. That'd probably be pretty cool to go to because there's no parking. You know what I mean? There's not 1,200 people at it. Same way. Same way. Oh, here's the parking. Nope, no parking. I'm gonna find the tortoise sooner or later. That's our alert. Oh, there's a golf course. Or here's another beach with no parking. Oh, I guess it's got a little parking. I'm gonna go down to it just for the sake of my video. little secret beach. You don't have, oh, parking by restricted, decal only. Had to have a special sticker to park here. Yeah, it says an A or B sticker, but that's what I say, these beaches with no people, them the ones you want to be at. Oop. Got to turn left here. Still on Middle Gulf Drive. Yeah, you can figure out a lot more stuff on a bicycle. That's a pickleball court there, this little guy. There was a pickleball too. Yep. Oh, check this tree out. Is it? Is that the prize winner? Crystal says these are creepy. We got 3 in a row. That's cool. It's got orchids growing on it. I like that. And I got a new mission. That one? Is that a prize winner? Oh yeah. You know, I got a new mission. I want to get a strangler fig and plant orchids in it like that other one.
No.
Yeah.
Not on my property.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I'll grow it in the pot.
I'm going to make you go out and stand next to it.
I'll grow it in the pot.
No, you won't. We had ficus and I don't want them.
Not ficus, strangler.
Yeah, well, it's the same difference. They have the roots that go down, remember?
Yep. These go up though.
Yeah, they go all over.
Because they're a fig. Probably got good figs to eat on them sometimes.
They go all over, Kelly.
Well, I'm going to keep mine on my tree. It's in a pot.
No.
With orchids in the roots.
No.
It's going to be like a 10-year project.
Put the orchids on your corner pad.
Ooh, there was a dead fish there. Somebody threw their fish out. Okay, I will. I wish I could take one home with me. All right. There's pickleball. Wonder if that's all public. It says welcome. Didn't want to startle you. That's a cool thing. Bonsai. Ooh. Yep, should be up on the road, I'm telling you. Do 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 do. Yeah, if I didn't have video stabilizer. Incidentally, this is a GoPro Hero8 4K video at 25 frames per second. I better stay on the bike path though, because I don't go as fast as a car. Look at the root. Oh! Root.